Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi Mix Flip, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen, and here we'll have a bunch of toggles. Now, if I remember correctly, the hotspot is this little chain link looking thing, so let's hold that. Yep, portable hotspot. So it is the chain link. Once you navigate in here, you'll want to select the Setup Portable Hotspot right as a second option. And you can see this will display or also highlight the password. You can view it right here by tapping on an eye. I do recommend just getting rid of it altogether and setting up your own new password, as it is randomly generated. So not a great password to type in manually. Once you select your new password, which needs to have 8 characters in length, you can save it by clicking on the check mark. Now we also have a couple additional options, though the device is usually set for what you could consider a compatibility mode, meaning it will work with the widest array of devices. So if you don't know what these do, I recommend keeping them as they are set by default. Anyway, I'm going to click on the check mark, and now we can just find the toggle once more, tap on it to enable our hotspot, and you're good to go. You can now connect to it with other devices. Once you're done with it, you can also turn it off by tapping on a toggle once more. And you do want to remember about it, this hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, there is no reason for it to be running in the background. And additionally, you do have the option right here to turn off hotspot automatically after like 5 minutes or 10 minutes of an activity, so I do recommend having that enabled, as if you forget about it, the device will do it for you. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.